In the deep, emerald heart of the jungle, a gentle hen named Calaara nestled her chicks under her warm feathers. The jungle, with its thick canopy and mysterious sounds, was an unusual place for a family of chickens, but it was home. Calaara, wise and attentive, knew the jungle's secrets well. Each day, as the golden sun pierced through the dense foliage, Calaara would cluck softly, signaling her brood, a trio of chirping chicks, to follow her on their daily adventure. The chicks, each with a distinct personality, waddled after their mother with eager curiosity. Max, the bravest of the lot, was always taking the lead, peering at everything with big, bold eyes. He loved the fluttering butterflies and the way the sunlight danced off the leaves. Lily, the smallest, was shy but observant. Her fascination with the tiny details often led her to discover hidden treasures. Finally, there was Toby, the sensible and cautious one, always reminding his siblings to stay close to Calaara. Their morning ritual was a journey to find food, exploring the jungle's wonders as they went. Calaara taught them the art of scratching the ground for seeds and bugs, often leading them to the foot of ancient trees where the earth promised abundant secrets. One day, as Max wandered a bit too far, Calaara sensed the trouble, a rustling from the bushes, a shadow of deception. Swiftly, she called her chicks close, shielding them under her protective wing. A curious snake had slithered nearby, charmed by the commotion of the playful chicks. Calaara, with her steady gaze, engaged the snake in a silent standoff, her maternal instinct sharpened like a blade. The jungle held its breath. Toby and Lily clung tightly to their mother's sides, while Max peered cautiously from beneath his mother's plumage, his bravery tempered by wisdom taught by Calaara.